know how guys rate girls from a scale of 1 to 10, like she's a 6, she's a 7, she's a 10. Similarly, girls rate us too. But it's not so much about appearance for them, it's more about your behaviors, the things you say, and the things you do when you're interacting with them. So, in today's video, we'll be learning this through live examples from a boot camp we did in Delhi. And you're gonna see how this student is performing really well in day one of the boot camp. But when we move to a more posh environment, we move to a place where there are hotter women, if you will, things really go down the hill for him quickly. And this might be the case for a lot of you guys. You're able to attract those kind of cute girls or the girls that instantly find you attractive right off the bat, but maybe you're not able to attract the kind of women you want, those 9s and 10s. So without further ado, let's dive right into this.
Excuse me. Hi. This is a bit random, but you're cute. I'd come to say hello. बहुत random है ना? बहुत ज़्यादा. नहीं मैंने देखो देख लिया था वहाँ से. You were crossing there. Actually, I'm waiting for my friend यार. ये वाली चीज़ है. What's your name by the way?
For the good part, I mean, he has really good energy, and this is something you'll notice in all the live examples we're about to see in throughout this video. But again, there's a slight nervousness in his voice, and all the frames you will notice that he's coming from are a little bit low value. I just saw you and I thought you were cute. That was good, but like बहुत random है ना, ha. I think वो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा nervous और ज़्यादा reactive लग रहा है. Instead, I would focus on being a bit more calm, having a bit more masculine presence in that scenario.
ये से आया थोड़ा gate है. I told your friend that she's cute. I'd come to say hello to her, और वो creep out हो गई. It's a bit random. You guys shopping here? Gate से थोड़ा सा इधर आ जाओ यार. Yeah. So, where you guys from?
We are from Delhi only, but we are getting late, so we have to.
Oh, वाह, समझ रहा हूँ मैं. You guys must be getting creeped out अभी. ये चीज़ है. By the way,
Okay.
अबे रुक जा 2 मिनट वेट कर ले, मेरा खुद फ्रेंड आ रहा है यार.
Sorry, but we are getting late. Sorry.
You're getting late. चल बाय.
There's a lot of asking going on in this interaction rather than conveying his own personality, giving his worldview to the girl. So it's more like कि थोड़ी देर रुक जाओ या फिर थोड़ा सा इधर को आ जाओ. Where are you from? So lots of ask and not a lot of giving. So that is the number one point. And again, जहाँ पे वो friends दोबारा से join हुए थे इस interaction में, he took a good thing by taking charge. But then जिस frame से वो आया कि अच्छा मैंने approach किया और वो creep out हो गई, वो putting light on the fact कि वो approach कर रहा है. Anything that can kind of put light on the fact कि तुमने approach किया है, try to avoid those things. And जिस frame से ये बातें कर रहा है वो भी थोड़ा सा negative है कि like okay वो creep out हो गई है. This is kind of strange. Even though like she might not be that intimidated by him. I think she's mildly amused, but not really intimidated as such कि मतलब उसे डर लग रहा है कि ये कौन आ गया. I think she's mildly amused कि अबे ये लड़का आ गया and बात कर रहा है. He would be looking to give again my own value into the interaction. I would be the one who is dominating the interaction more in terms of conveying my personality, in terms of the topics that I'm talking about in the interaction, making sure they are more relevant to her and I. When the girlfriends came in, like could have been very different. He could have been more like, okay, hi, who are you guys? You guys all look lovely. And then he could have continued it from there with a more high value frame. अगला वाला देखते हैं.
Excuse me. This is a bit random, but I really found you pen cute. I'd come to say hello to her. What's your name? You guys doing shopping here? Yeah, actually I was waiting for a friend and I saw you over here. Yeah. तू है आ गया साले. तू अभी तो बोल रहा था तेरे को 10 मिनट लगेगा आने में. Yeah. So, where you guys from?
I'm from.
So you're from. सही है यार.
You guys are college students or what?
Bro, I'm handsome. Thank you.
What are you guys doing here?
Nahin, they were window shopping. They are actually looking for some cool guys to approach them and say hello to them.
She's looking for some shoes.
I was like, she's looking for some guy.
Say I got new kicks. Do you like them? Zara bitch. तुम दिल्ली में कहाँ पे रहते हो?
I just came here.
He was selling.
New to the city. You are.
I'm also new to the city.
New to the city. What you doing? है ना?
I have been
B.Com plus M.Com is equal to B.Tech in computer science होता
It was very what?
crowded.
है. तू बता मैं क्या कर रहा हूँगा? बता.
Is he like commerce something? Commerce.
क्या लगता है मेरे लुक देखने से यार?
Commerce से related.
You were right.
I like how both of you are looking up to him. Everyone looks up to him. नहीं वैसे not just because he's tall, but like everyone looks up to him. But
Why?
he's like a leader guy, you know? Yeah.
ब्रो यार थैंक यू यार बंदियों के सामने इतना वो करने के लिए.
अच्छा, you guys are shopping for something in particular? or what?
हाँ शू
Shoes.
कहीं ढूंढा तुमने नाइकी वाइकी यू वांट टू नाइकी एडिडास अच्छा यू वांट हीज पार्टी स्टफ यू गो टू क्लब्स ऑफ राइट
Very dorky expressions when you say.
शी हैज एन एक्सप्रेशन ये कौन सी ईयर में है
How old are you?
यू आर इन ईयर एंड यू आर इन दोनों भाई आराम से बुक करो
Bye.
इधर आ जा यार एक्चुअली मैं गर्मी लग रही
Let's
है
keep walking now.
हाँ हाँ लेट्स कीप
So what's good and what's bad there? Well, number one, again, very good energy. This guy has, I think, one of the best energies from a beginner that I have seen. थोड़ा सा calibration में दिक्कत है, जैसे मैं थोड़ा सा इसकी तारीफ करने की कोशिश की and then वो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा उसको exaggerate करते रह गया. अच्छा भाई thank you for लड़कियों के सामने के तो वो थोड़ा सा subtlety जो है मिस हो जा रही है. But again, like these girls are also from college and the student also is a college student in this case. So things are working well so far and I think he's more into this girl with the blue jacket. And the good thing he tries to do here is moving them around because we're kind of in an awkward spot जहाँ पे से लोग आ जा रहे हैं. So that's good, but I take it a step further by saying कि okay, let's keep walking because I can see that there is a initial investment and these girls like him and like me. So now I'm thinking that maybe we can turn this into an instant date and make things more solid, make things more positive.
I was here for shopping as well.
यार आई वाज हियर फॉर अबे यार मैंने तेरे को बताया था ना बॉम्ब लगाने आया हूँ यहाँ पे ब्लॉग नहीं एक्चुअली ओसामा बिन लादेन के चाचा का भाई का बेटे का लड़के का मूव तो उसने बोला था कि यहाँ पे ना जब मैं मर जाऊँ ना तो इस डेट पे आरडीएक्स से काम करना
He's the one who actually.
और बता वेटिंग फॉर बॉयफ्रेंड्स हाँ दोनों तो लगे ऐसे रहो टिंडर डेट के लिए भाई जियो ऑन टिंडर बता नहीं है तू है टिंडर पे तू तो इतनी लग रही है आम पता है इसका पता क्या होगा टाइटल आई एम अ बटरकप स्वीट आई लिसन टू कौन है वो ओपा गंगनम स्टाइल वाला तू है ना सी आई कॉट यू रियल इंटरेक्शंस आर गुड
टिंडर पे लोग बहुत कैटफिश भी करते हैं ना
क्या करते हैं
कैटफिश फेक सी पिक्चर्स लगा के
भाई इतने बड़े चूते होते हैं ना वो लोग मतलब आई रियली डोंट अंडरस्टैंड मतलब क्यों फेक करना है मतलब इंस्टाग्राम फॉलोअर्स डोंट मेक यू रियल मतलब हर चीज़ होती है भाई है ना
यूज सोशल मीडिया
अच्छा यू डोंट यूज सोशल मीडिया
मतलब आई हैव एन इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट बट आई यूज इट फॉर लाइक फूलों की पिक्चर डालना
स्कूलों की पिक्चर डालना
फूलों की पिक्चर डालना
ब्रो बोरिंग है फूलों की पिक्चर डालते इंस्टाग्राम पे डूड
बहुत बुली करा जाता है
आई थॉट यू आर कूल लेकिन तूने अब जस्ट ये चीज़ बोली ना भाई कूलनेस खत्म हो गई भाई 1 मिनट में इट वाज लाइक हियर आई पोस्ट पिक्चर्स ऑफ
माई सेल्फ
Pretty good there so far. There's a little bit of that banter, that push-pull that okay, as soon as you said that, now I don't like you anymore. So I think those things are pretty positive. So good.
माई सेल्फ
हाँ माई सेल्फ नहीं नॉट कूल आई एम कूल ये मेरे को पता है इननेट नेचर है मेरा कूल बट हाँ आई एम एन एंटरप्रेन्योर टू आई एम वर्किंग ऑन माय स्टार्टअप ये सब
क्या स्टार्टअप सारे इंजीनियर वाले
And very good on him for passing that shit test. He was kind of judging him. Okay, like you post pictures of yourself. Like it was kind of like an implied shit test, not really a blatant one. And he's like, yeah, I'm cool. I know that. So pretty good.
स्टार्टअप ये सब
क्या स्टार्टअप सारे इंजीनियर वाले स्टार्टअप क्यों करते हैं
सारे इंजीनियर वाले स्टार्टअप क्यों कर रहे हैं
बहुत ज़्यादा
दैट इज अ
But
स्टीरियोटाइप
हाँ, नहीं इट्स गुड हो रहा है
हमारा दिमाग तेज होता है ना यार तुम लोगों से तू बीकॉम कर रही है ना
हंसना वाला
भूगोल आई कॉट यू
हर बात
यार मैं ना अमरूद को देख रहा था वो आंटी मेरे को देख रही है
You thought the Amrud was pretty. She thought you were pretty.
ओह थैंक यू
She thought I was pretty.
अच्छा बेटा इतना रश में मत हो
Again, so pretty cheeky misinterpretation there. Auntie को वो सुंदर लगती. He interpreted that as she's saying कि he's pretty. So very nice.
हाँ मैं हाई वैल्यू का है भाई यू कांट जस्ट पिक मी लाइक दैट ओ एक बंदा आ गया तो और बता व्हाट यू डूइंग दीस डेज नथिंग रियली जस्ट रोमिंग इन सीपी सो यू टुक अ डे ऑफ लाइक फ्राइडे ना सो गई नहीं कॉलेज
I had college. Academic fest था बहुत बेकार.
मेरी बहन भी है ना और वो एक्चुअली कुछ नहीं कर रही है तो वो घर पे बैठी रहती है नेटफ्लिक्स चलाती है कोल्ड कॉफ़ी मेरे लिए नहीं बनाती अपने लिए बना के पी जाती है और बहन से मैं देखते रहता हूँ ये हो क्या गया मेरी कॉफ़ी का चली गई
तो उसकी जॉब छोड़िए कॉफी बनाना है. तो क्या बनाया करो.
मैं खुद बनाता हूँ और मैं उसके लिए भी बनाता हूँ मैं उसके लिए मैगी भी बनाता हूँ लेकिन वो मेरे लिए नहीं बनाती
मैं भी
ये
ऐसा
चीज़ है।
करती हूँ मेरे भाई के साथ तो
तुम पिटने वाले काम करते हो ना फिर पूरे पूरे
वो
तो
पिटता
भाई
है मेरे को।
है
वो छोटा है but
छोटा है
वो मुझसे वो उसका है।
हाँ
और
अच्छा
वो मेरे बराबर हाइट का है, मुझसे 10 किलो भारी है।
लड़कियाँ पतली तो होती है यार, कैसी बात कर रही है, लड़कियाँ हल्की तो होती हैं।
He's conveying very much of his personality, and he's also taking bold moves like cussing. So I wouldn't recommend this again, like cussing in front of girls, but then it also conveys a statement though that you're not afraid to offend her. So in that sense, I think this is pretty good. They're exchanging stories, but those are also not in a very boring way. Those are like funny stories. And after this, what happens is they went to look for a couple of shoes there. They didn't really find anything as such. So then we suggested that let's go to KFC, I think, or whatever. And so we go there, and then it was like a instant date. Interaction was pretty solid. The girl he was talking to was really into him. So in that sense, this interaction was pretty good so far. Now let's move on to the day 2 of the boot camp, when we move to a little bit of a posh location where the ladies are a little bit more hotter and a little bit more worldly, if you will. So let's have a look at that.
Excuse me guys, it's like a little bit of random right here, but I really found your friend here cute. I'd come here to say hello to her. My name is You guys must be creeped out right now. Random banda aa gaya. I was literally kind of shopping here. I saw her. You guys shopping here or window shopping?
No, we're just here to roam around.
We're here to
Roam around.
roam around.
Yeah.
सही है, ऐसे आते रहते हैं मॉल में.
So very good on him for opening a group of girls. I think most of the guys are really afraid to do that. The things we talk about on the boot camp, approach anxiety बिल्कुल खत्म ही कर देते हैं एक तरीके से. थोड़ा सा stumble किया words में, maybe because थोड़ा सा nervous होगा. Overall pretty good, and I think most of them were pretty intrigued कि ये लड़का कौन आ गया इतना मतलब ballsy. But again वो frame कि like you guys must be creeped out, थोड़ा सा again low value frames से यहाँ पे जा रहा है. I think यहाँ पे you should be assuming more positive frames that of course they're gonna like me, of course they're gonna find me attractive and things like that. Until and unless you assume that way, things that come out of your mouth are gonna be in a low value frame. जिस चीज़ के बारे में हम बात कर रहे थे कि how do women judge your value, वो चीज़ थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे कन्वे हो गई. जैसे maybe the girls that he was talking to previously, वो थोड़ा सा कॉलेज वाले लड़के की वाइब में थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया as compared to somebody who's maybe like a high value guy or something. So I think वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा linguistically he could have been a little bit more elegant, more better with his words, rather than saying कि अच्छा मतलब ऐसे ही आते रहे तो तुम लोग मॉल में, वो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा I guess rough हो गया. Anything could have worked here. Like you all are really pretty, but this one right here, she looks like a little bit of trouble. How is she? Teasing the girl he's into a little bit and making sure he's friendly with all the rest of them. Something along those lines would have worked much better. Your behaviors will kind of convey your level to a girl, okay? A girl who is probably college student in that sense will probably be okay with this kind of a conversational vibe. But maybe a girl who's more eloquent, well-spoken or something along those lines, she'll probably be more used to guys being well-worldly or well-read or let's just say well-spoken, if you will. So keep that in mind when you're going into your next interaction. Just make sure you're aware of the person you're talking to, you're aware of the environment you are in. That way you'll be able to judge the blueprint a bit more better of the particular people you're talking to.
Where are you guys from?
We stay
You look like you're from. Are you from?
She's from yeah.
सही है यार. सो so, बताओ सब सही चल रहा है यहाँ पे, बढ़िया हो रही है, लड़के बढ़के ताड़ रहे हो. Yeah.
Even if he would have got away with that way of talking, your college student wali vibe se thoda sa, the fact that he's asking a lot of questions कि अच्छा you are, where you from, and that one girl is replying to him कि अच्छा she's from here and she's from here. So वो चीज़ थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा हो रही है, rather than conveying his personality and then like kind of engaging all of them at first. Because in a cold approach, especially when you're approaching a group of people, you have to give in that energy. You have to go with that energy and assume the burden of the interaction starting mein, okay? Later as the interaction goes forward and they get to know you a bit better and they think, okay, like this person is fine, they'll let you talk to the girl one-on-one, or maybe you can even do a phone number exchange or Instagram exchange at that moment in front of them. But maybe after you have gotten the approval of the friends a little bit, okay, they all think that you're kind of cool, like like they don't have a issue and they are not judging this particular friend you're taking Instagram or number from very harshly, okay, कि अच्छा ये लड़का इससे Instagram ले रहा है. So those girls जो उसके दोस्त हैं लड़की की, वो उसे ऐसे जज नहीं कर रही कि यार इसने दे दिया है, you know. So if they think you are a cool guy, वो चीज़ें नहीं होंगी, ठीक है. But again थोड़ा सा ये जो सेल्फ अम्यूजमेंट वाली चीज़ है ये थोड़ा सा एक्सट्रीम पे जा रही है यहाँ पे. एंड दिस इज समथिंग आई सी सो ऑफन इन द कम्युनिटी टॉट रॉन्ग एवरीवेयर. ये जो बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट है ना कि सेल्फ अम्यूज करो और फ्री फ्लो करो और मतलब कुछ भी जाके, वो चीज़ें आपका गेम काफ़ी ज़्यादा रुइन करते हैं. एंड अगेन दीज थिंग्स लाइक आई हैव ऑलवेज सेड इवन बिफोर, एक लेवल तक आपको रिजल्ट्स मिलेंगे. यू विल गेट रिजल्ट्स विद काइंड ऑफ क्यूट गर्ल्स एंड यू विल गेट टू इंटरमीडिएट लेवल इफ़ यू विल. बट वहाँ से इंटरमीडिएट से एडवांस की तो जो जर्नी है वो कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट है. एंड द रीज़न वाई इंडिया में कोई भी एडवांस लेवल गेम मैंने आज तक नहीं देखा किसी की भी इन फील्ड में, एक्सेप्ट फॉर वन गाय दैट इज़ माई विंग मैन. बट उसके अलावा कहीं भी नहीं हो रहा बिकॉज इट इज़ अ लर्निंग कर्व एंड इट इज़ अ कर्व दैट्स वेरी पेनफुल. इंटरमीडिएट से एडवांस जाने के लिए देयर इज़ अ फेज जहाँ पे योर रिजल्ट्स विल काइंड ऑफ गो डाउन बिकॉज you know you can say this funny shit that will make her laugh, or you know you can do this one move यहाँ पे touch करके and then you can gauge her attraction level, और ये सारी जो tactic होते हैं push, यहाँ पे touch करो, ये करो, वो करो. Like here when you're moving to advanced level you are actively not doing those things. In fact you are flipping the script entirely to a frame where she is chasing you, okay. So the way you get to an intermediate level, from beginner to intermediate level, and then the way you get to an advanced level is completely different. But let's not get into that. Let's see यहाँ पे आगे क्या हो रहा है.
Yeah. Why? Little bit of buzzed out right now.
We're gonna get going.
You wanna get going?
Yeah, no, we're just gonna go.
You are in rush right now. So it was nice to meet you. Are you on Instagram or something?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Arnaz.
Arnaz bio?
Yeah, ARRNA.
No, I didn't want to know. Why?
सो आई थिंक वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा वो पॉज भी हो गया एंड देन आस्क ज़्यादा हो गया तो इंटरेक्शन ख़त्म ही हो गया कहीं ना कहीं. सो लाइक आई सेड दिस गाय हैज़ पॉजिटिव एनर्जी, बट जो आइडियाज़ हैं ना थोड़े से और जो फ्रेम्स हैं वो थोड़े गलत तरीके से आ रहे हैं. एंड यही दिक्कत होती है सेल्फ अम्यूजमेंट या फ्री फ्लो वाली चीज़ पे. अगेन यू नीड टू बी कैलिब्रेटेड एंड यू नीड टू गेट द हॉटेस्ट वुमन पॉसिबल. अगेन यू नीड टू हैव अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ टेक्निक्स इन योर गेम.
Excuse me. I. The way you walk like this ना, अभी तेरी कॉफी गिरती. I'm away. Actually, I just really came here to say hi to you.
Hi.
And I noticed you. Abhi, you flipped right like.
I did, wearing slippers.
So, just hold on for 2 minutes. Come on. You're getting late or something?
Yeah, my car is here.
Your car is here. Oh, right. You're lovely.
Well, it was nice meeting you. Have a lovely day.
Arey, without having any conversation, right?
So what's good and what's bad there? This girl seems like a very eloquent and like well spoken by her demeanor. And by the way, this student is speaking is also pretty good. I wouldn't say that's very bad. His energy is really good. But I think if he was a little bit more elegant with his conversation here, maybe she would have given him more of a chance in this interaction. थोड़ा सा open ज़्यादा अच्छा हो सकता था. The open could have been a bit more in your face, if you will, a bit more challenging. I think the opener was a little bit soft, like okay, I just came here to talk to you, and you know, like very supplicating kind of. But I think she's also kind of sizing him up by the way he talks, and like he talks like a student, like a college student. So I think she kind of judged that. It was nice meeting you and those sort of things. If you're hearing this a lot in your interaction, it was nice meeting you. Either you're not getting to the point, or the way you're conveying the point is it's coming from a kind of a low value frame where she is thinking, oh, that's so cute. Like, thank you for talking to me, you little boy. Very good, very good.
What? We can just talk.
We can talk. If I would have had the time, I would have loved to talk. But I like your confidence. Thank you for coming and saying hi.
This is confidence, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Thank you.
It takes confidence to come and speak to
Ah,
someone.
actually, I was literally waiting for my friend here. I saw.
Okay.
I was like, yaar, this girl is kind of cute, and she was like literally tripping over right here. So why you?
So again, like that was kind of a pat on the back. Yeah, okay, like very good, very good. You did a good job by being confident and coming up to me and talking to me. Like she appreciates that. But then again, she's also kind of saying that, okay, you're not really there. So for me to take you seriously, because the way he conveyed and the way he talked there. But let's move forward.
Bhai,
Have a
aaj
party back home.
the magic of thinking big. I read this book. Even I read that Think and Grow Rich to Napoleon Hill.
What do you think of it? What do you think of that book, the Think and Grow Rich book? I've not
That
read
that will
one.
change your life. That will actually change your life.
That's on my bucket list.
Yeah, that will really change. I'm a voracious reader, man.
Oh,
I read a lot of books.
that's great.
Yeah,
That's great. Yeah,
yeah.
I try to read as much as I can. As
Yeah.
well. What do you do?
I'm an entrepreneur, starting my own business.
Oh, excellent. Good. Yeah.
What do you do? You. You're right. Oh my God, I am really dealing with something right now.
Yeah, it's not the best thing to be.
Her blueprint is of more of an eloquent girl, and she's really beautiful. I mean, you guys can't see that, but she's really beautiful, well spoken, and she has a profession that's also a pretty educated one. So that's kind of her blueprint, okay? And once he got into that frame, that he also has value in those sense that he reads and he's well spoken. He's not just that like your average college student. Then she got interested in him and actually asked him a question. And that question was also kind of like sizing him up, like, okay, what do you do? And his answer was like, I'm an entrepreneur, like starting my business. So it's all right, but I think it could have been phrased in a much better way, in a way that lands a little bit better. Like some of these questions that you know you're gonna be asked all the time, like what do you do, where you from, have good answers for them, okay? For example, when girls ask me, okay, what do you do? I could either say, like, I dropped out of college and like pursued entrepreneurship and did pretty well there. But if a girl is very studious and she followed the route of the traditional route and studied a lot and things of that nature, if I tell her that I'm an entrepreneur and I just dropped out of college and whatnot, to her, how does that sound? That probably sounds like I'm unemployed or some shit, right? So in that sense, I would convey my story in a different way. I will tell the same story, but I will convey it in a different way that is more convenient to her blueprint. So I would say when I dropped out of my college, then it was pretty risky. My parents, I had a little bit of fight with them. They finally said, okay, fine, do your thing. And we give you a year. And then I worked really hard for that year. And then finally things worked out for me over the time. Something along those lines is a better fit for this particular girl. Whereas a girl who's maybe super rich or like used to hanging out with entrepreneurs or something, I would maybe even go with something like, I don't like talking about it. That just makes it more curious. That just makes her think that, okay, maybe like people who don't like talking about their business usually have a pretty decent business. So like it really depends on the girl you're dealing with, and it really depends on the situation you're at. So in that sense, in this situation, I can kind of sense that the girl is trying to size him up as to like what he really does, and his answer was maybe not as satisfying.
Are these like lens or real life lenses? Yeah.
But it was nice meeting you.
Your lipstick पूरा हो चुका है भाई. Come on, hold a photo. Where's you're going like this?
I will have to go. My car is here, but it was lovely. speaking
Or you're waiting for someone right there.
No, my car is here and I have a party back home, so I have
So
to
your
rush.
party back home. Chal, it was lovely.
Nice meeting you.
Bye.
Thoda sa he could have conveyed his personality in a more high value frames, in a more high value way. I think then it would have been a bit better. But then again, she was going somewhere, so not too lucky for him there. And after a while, on day 2, he was getting a lot of rejections after rejections after rejections. So we then took a little break. I gave both of them a little bit of calibration on how and what to do exactly when they're in this situation. And after that, you can see the things really started to work out well for them. Things you say and do, if they cap you at a level of 7, then the girls who are below that, 6, 5, whatever, they'll really love you. But the girls maybe they were at 7, they'll think you, okay, like he's kind of cute. 8 will be like, 9s and 10, they can see through your shit, okay? So just be aware of that when you're in the interaction next time. And by the way, I do this very rarely, but if you're looking to learn from me one-on-one, my bootcamp schedules are open again. If you're looking to take serious actions in your dating life, and if you're looking to learn from someone who does not blow sunshine up your ass and does not give you like very mainstream bullshit advice, then you can check it out. It's linked in the description and in the first comment. I'll see you guys in the next one.